Hey, Lou and Will. Huawei has sold millions of phones every year. However, it seems Huawei will lose his huge market share and people have to choose their future phones from other companies. What do you think? Which smartphone company will profit the most of Huawei's fall? Which one can replace Huawei? In the immediate sense, Samsung benefits because Huawei's flagships had really been infringing on the Samsung space big time and making up significant market share. Of course, Samsung was number one still in terms of smartphone shipments, but Huawei was catching up. They had passed Apple recently. So I would say there. Of course, the other Chinese manufacturers should also benefit because they're not being restricted in any way yet. So Xiaomi, Oppo, OnePlus, these other companies will benefit as well. But in the most major way, likely Samsung. But I've said on this show, I don't think Huawei's going away. I think they're going to find a way, a Huawei. I was going to resist doing that, but you did it earlier, and you've been doing it well. And the problem is, you just influenced me.
Yeah.
And then I did it. But anyhow, I think they're going to stick around.